And we are back to the YouTube channel where I teach you how to be your own boss. Yes, sir. We in hoodie mode. It's hoodie season, and we teach you how to get it to the money. If you're about that, then subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and also that notification bell because we're here at least once a week bringing you ways to be your own boss and earn your own income in your own time. And today we are back with a great company. I did a video on this earlier last year, 2021, but the sound and quality wasn't up to par. So I'm going to do it again here, give you a little bit more information about the company Veho, because I've been driving for them with my courier business for the past, say 4 or 5 months off and on, create my own schedule. So it's pretty cool. So Veho, Veho, become a driver. Basically, just like you live here, you use your own vehicle, load it up with packages. Usually, the warehouse, depending on what state, city you're in, each warehouse there are different contracts. I was doing stuff for Hello Fresh and delivering some, small items, small food items, small little items for certain websites. Last mile delivery, and this is something I just only really pretty much do only on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Get up early, go to the warehouse, pick the items up, load them up in my truck, and drop off about 20 to 30 packages in a certain area. Which takes maybe 4 or 5 hours at the most, and you're done with your day. Good money, good money. So what you do is they give you an app. Let me show you this app. App gives you all the routes and everything here. So you can see the routes. I don't have any routes right now. Usually the routes come in at night around 7:30 p.m. And then they come up here and you'll have your routes and then the routes they're offering here, all the routes that they offer. You can see and pick the route you want depending on what area in the city it is. So it's a very great resource to, schedule your own time, schedule your own routes. You can pick what routes is, how long the routes, how many stops, so you know exactly what you're going to be doing that day. Usually the warehouses is centrally located in the main city, and then, like I said, you just use the app for everything else. So very simple. Go to shipveho.com, click register to drive. They'll give you some instructions, background check. I think it was an NVR check, but they did do like a small background check similar to what Uber and Lyft does. And then they ask you a link to download, and they actually give you like a little sample test, to kind of see, make sure, you kind of can work your way around the app. It gives you like a sample thing to scan and some information to put in. You don't have to actually go anywhere, but you just kind of do it in the area that it's in. And you kind of do it in the area that you're in. Probably the best way, instead of kind of going all over the city trying to get a route, kind of get something close to your home, close to your job, or whatever you're doing for the rest of the day. And if you're, gig economy, ride share, you do this on a regular basis anyway, it's a great guaranteed income. You don't have to, worry about if you're getting rides, getting lifts, doing Uber Eats. You kind of got your guaranteed route, guaranteed money every day for what you're doing. But if you are in the Atlanta area, I am looking for courier drivers. So I have my own fleet, or if you have your own vehicle, I have a Sprinter van, which I'm looking for a driver for. But if you have your own vehicle, contact me. I have some medical courier routes as well as some other routes available for you guys to do. So hit me up, leave me a message, or follow me any social media, or hit me up, email fastfleetatl@gmail.com. So, this company pays out every week. I get my check on Fridays, depending on how many routes I do. And like I said, man, tap into this, guy. It's a great resource to help you be your own boss, get out the rat race, something you can do additional to your 9 to 5. Like I said, I just do this on the weekends. Like I said, knock it out in 2-3 hours on a Saturday or Sunday, and I'm back at the house, back in bed. So check it out, Veho. Be your own Bezos.